Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices settled down more than 2% to end last week as investors fretted about weaker Chinese demand and a potential slowing in the pace of US Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. China's oil refiners in October processed 4.6% less crude than a year earlier. The US dollar was set for its biggest weekly gain in over a month, as markets reassessed expectations of future interest rate cuts and with the view that President-elect Donald Trump's policies could be inflationary. TikTok's parent company, ByteDance, is valuing itself at about $300 billion after it recently approached investors about a share buyback program. ByteDance reached out to investors in recent weeks, offering a price of $180.70 per share. The dollar-yen pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair plummeted 2.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. In the days to come, a lineup of significant economic data releases is set to unfold. With high-impact reports leading the way, it's important for investors and traders to monitor these announcements to anticipate potential market movements and volatility. As we move through this week, these economic updates will be closely watched. Make sure to stay informed and ready to adapt to any shifts in market trends.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.